In this modern world, we want something new, something smart. So why not? Our home should be smart. So today we are going to present here a smart home. In this smart home, we are having automatic gate. In this automatic gate, when the car comes in the front of the gate gets automatically opened. And when the car enters the home, the gate gets automatically closed. Then we are having automatic doorbell. When any person comes in front of the doorbell rings. And then we are having automatic street light, which are connected with LDR. When there is light on the LDR, the lights are off, and when there is darkness on the LDR, the lights are on. Then we are having laser security on the wall. When any person or thief tries to enter the home, the buzzer will ring. Then we are having automatic fire extinguisher. When there is fire in the room, there will be waterfall in the room. And after that, we are having automatic room lights. When there is motion in the room, the lights will be on. Here we have fitted motion sensors. Thank you.